What's good, Up Next family? It's your boy Up Next. Alan, I'm coming back with another video. Hey man, look, before this video even gets started, bro, don't forget to click that subscribe button, turn on post notifications, hit that like button, don't forget to click that bell, bro. Do all this right now and follow all my social medias. Alright y'all, before this video even gets started, I teach y'all the key to making y'all hair grow like 2 times faster, bro. So if you in the ugly phase or whatever, if you have dreads, man, make sure you watch the full video. Let's get right into this video, y'all. Let's go. Alright, so the first stage was actually getting it 2-strand twisted, like I told y'all last video. If y'all haven't watched my dread journey video, man, look, go watch it right now. Click on my channel and then go to the dread journey video. I basically explained all this, but I'm about to just basically do an overview. Alright, so right here is when I got my hair 2-strand twisted. I've been told y'all this last video. I got my hair 2-strand twisted before I even got it like with regular twist and stuff like that. I told y'all I did not like the 2-strand twist, so I took it out. Alright, so I had the blowout fade. You gotta understand, this is way before I even had dreads. This is basically like the afro stage. So this is like 6 months from nothing. You understand? So this is like 6 to 8 months from nothing. I completely cut my hair off in like 10th grade, I think. So yeah, this is like about 11th grade year, and I had nothing on my hair, but it's like 6 months into it. So I had grew a little afro, I had grew a little blowout fade, I had got it twisted and stuff like that. And I got my hair twisted every 2 months. I got my hair washed and I got my hair twisted every 2 months. Now when I had the afro, I washed my hair more than every 2 months, probably like 2 or 3 times during the month. You understand? Then when I got my hair twisted and stuff like that, I stopped washing it, because you gotta understand, when you first going through the dread process, which I started like July the 1st, right? Cause I got my hair retwisted in July the 1st. So I started all this stuff, and bruh, the way I did it was I didn't get my hair twisted too frequently, and I did not get I got my hair retwisted. Like, it's either with y'all, brother. Either y'all get it retwisted every 2 weeks, which you are not supposed to do. You know, I mean, it's your dreads. You do what you want to do, but your dreads might look out. Your dreads may be looking a little too skinny, and y'all, yeah, that's my girl on the phone. She's sick. Yeah, I'm a real G. I take care of mine. Now listen, anyways, but like I was saying, bro, y'all gotta tighten up, bro. You know what I'm saying? Especially when you go into like a beauty salon or something like that, bro. Don't be every 2 weeks be spending 40, and down here it costs 40. I'm pretty sure it costs like 80 for y'all. So let me give y'all a tip. Get your hair retwisted every 2 months. Now, the first month you have to look at this. Look at this. You hear me? The first month, bro, you gonna have to keep your it depends on what hairstyle you going for. You understand? Now right here, I did have my hair twisted, but like I said, I was going through like the beginning stages. So, and I was at a beach, so you know, I probably messed up my hair. But after that vacation, right after that vacation, I didn't waste no time. I got my hair retwisted right after that vacation. So it was like a week after that vacation, I got my hair retwisted. Now, mind you, I had dreads, so I did basically I don't even think I blew dry my hair out. Nah, I didn't use a blow dryer. I didn't use none of that. I did the air drying method that I taught y'all. You know what I'm saying? I did it the right way, and that actually came out pretty good. But at the same time, my hair was so fluffy, so it didn't really look right. So you understand? So I had a fresh fade and stuff like that. But y'all gotta understand, bro. Going through the ugly stage, oh my god. Alright, so this is September the 3rd, bro. Basically, I think I got my hair retwisted, but at the same time, this is like a month after I get my hair retwisted. You know what I'm saying? These pictures are spaced out, and the reason because you're not gonna really like see any new growth until you get your hair retwisted. You understand? That's why I tell y'all, give yourself time to have new growth at the bottom. 2 months, your hair should be growing in 2 months. You understand? When you give your hair time to grow, you're not constantly twisting it and stuff like that, bro, then your dreads are gonna start forming more naturally and stuff like that. Like, you're gonna have probably more thicker dreads, or it depends on how really they twist it on how to get like thicker or thinner. But sometimes it's like a lookout on how many times do you get your hair retwisted. You understand? So even if you don't pay for getting your hair retwisted, man, just try every 2 months. Try the every 2 month method if you just now starting off. Now if you've been getting your hair did like me, I haven't got my hair retwisted in about 3 to 4 months. I'm really going through the freeform stage, so I might go another month or 2 without getting my hair retwisted. And then once I go back to the beauty salon, my hair is gonna be extremely long. I'm telling y'all gotta. It's a method. I'm giving y'all the keys, but right here, alright. So right here, bro, as y'all can see, I used to go outside on my dreads, sweat, all that type of stuff. I didn't go outside like that, and I didn't sweat in my dreads with my dreads in like that. But if I ever did, bro, like I told you, I go outside like when it's before my hair appointment or something like that, because you gotta understand, bro, your dreads are like sponges. So whatever you having, whatever activities you having in your life, bro, your dreads are gonna smell like those activities. So if you around smoke all the time, your dreads are gonna smell like smoke. If you outside working out, then you don't wash your hair, stuff like that, then you're gonna have like stuff at the bottom of your head, at the bottom of your hair. You know what I'm saying? And it's y'all gotta just watch what y'all doing. Alright, so I did not have my hair retwisted still, but I was in the car, and this is September the 13th. But yeah, this is a little time like after, like I told y'all, it ain't gonna. And then when you going through the ugly phase, bro, it's so crazy because your hair is it's gonna be growing, but it don't look like it's growing just because of the fact you gotta get all that new growth from the bottom of your hair. You understand? Once you put that new growth with the old growth that you already had, then your dreads are going to start laying down and stuff like that. So yeah, right here, my dreads was not laying down. They was laying down, but the new growth at the bottom like kept it from laying down, and it was so short. So my dreads finally started to drop in a couple months and things like that. So I started out doing different hairstyles and actually getting my hair retwisted like every 2 months or so. So I kept this whole process through the whole stage, like through my whole dread stage, bro. Every 2 months. Partially the reason is because bro, it's cost efficient. It's called being cost efficient. And then like I told y'all, if you get your hair retwisted too many times, yeah, that and the third. Alright, so I also forgot to tell y'all, during like the ugly phase and all, I had to cut my back off just because of the simple fact, like y'all was talking about oh, your dreads don't retwist or your dreads don't lock until like a certain amount. Yeah, my dreads locked around like in September the 29th or something, somewhere around there. My dreads starting to lock. You understand? So this is actually a couple months. Most people would take like it take them like what, 7-8 months just for their dreads to lock. It did not take my dreads to lock for that long or nothing. It did not take long for me. That's all I'm trying to say. And my dreads grew, I believe they grew one of the fastest that I have seen, that I have personally been around, like people who got dreads and stuff like that. But yeah, right here, you can tell like how fuzzy they are and stuff like that. As you saw like before, you can see my scalp and stuff. But right here, it was like 2 to 3 months I didn't get my hair retwisted, and this is actually like a couple months ago. But I did not get my hair retwisted, but like a month or so after that, I got my hair retwisted. So that was like in the 3 months range. I waited like 3 months, but right now I'm waiting but 4 months, I think. I gotta. Alright, so this is about a week ago, but nah, no cap. Right now, bro, well, a week ago, bro, well, about 2 weeks ago now, I have new growth. You still see, man, I got a lot of new growth at the bottom. You understand? And right there, that picture's kind of weird because of the fact I have 2-strand twist at the top, and then in the bottom, in the back, I don't have no 2-strand twist. You understand? So same with this picture. I got a 2-strand twist at the top, and this was like last week. So I had my 2-strand twist at the top still in, and then my back, it wasn't nothing really done to my back. But right now I have I don't got no 2-strand twisting. I ain't got nothing in. I'm just really going through the process, man. Look, man, if y'all are going through the ugly phase, every 2 months, that is the key. Every 2 months. It's very cost efficient, and it's new growth. It's all about new growth. It's not all about your haircut, anything like that. So if y'all new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. Follow me on all my social medias. I'm gonna catch y'all for later, bro. Peace.